Hello traders, welcome to the new video. It's officially day 45 of using 50,000 capital for the 50 trading days. So in the today's session, we saw that Nifty opened gap down around like maybe 740, 750 odd levels, and then we saw there was a crackdown till 700. However, with respect to that, I had been carrying some positions for 21,700 P for this weekly expiry, wherein I had around 500 quantities yesterday itself, wherein my average price was around 118 or something, I guess. But with that aspect, I was able to. I thought of exiting. I had put orders for 500 quantities, but however, only one quantity got executed at this point. That was with respect to the overnight trade. Wherein, however, in the today session, wherein Nifty was taking resistance at this point, exactly if I mark over here the uh, resistance zone, like there was a price action that had formed in the previous days with respect to the previous day and even today price action. If you see that around Nifty had taken resistance at 755 odd levels, and even also there was a long consolidation in this zone itself around like 760 on the higher side and 740 to 735 on the lower side. So however, in the later half in the yesterday session we got breakout till 800, 21,800. But however, in the today's price action, when Nifty went on to, like, if I again draw this zone over here, wherein around 20, let me clear this. If you see if I draw the zone wherein 21,690 was the zone wherein Nifty had been taking was consolidating, and then there we saw a breakout yesterday. So with that aspect, what I did when Nifty was, Nifty came almost around this point where in 750 odd levels. However, I had made an entry earlier. Let me show you the order history over here. So if you see here, 21,000 750 of the this coming week expiry, I bought around 200 quantities at 137, and then I added another one. If you see over here, it is 750p. I added two lots around like after 5 minutes and another 1 minute. So overall, my average was around like maybe 130, 34 or some odd prices. I don't remember exactly, but that is with respect to the 21,000 to 750p. However, if you see this 21,700 P, I added because I had executed one put from the 500 quantities, wherein I added this same quantity so that I will get a better average price at this point. So coming to the 750p, why I made entry at this point is pretty simple. As I explained you about the price action, what I had found on Nifty with respect to yesterday's price action, and especially it was a monthly expiry wherein this zone we had a lot of time Nifty had spent over here consolidating, and even it had taken resistance out from there. So with that aspect, I made an entry and then I executed my trade. Let me go to the order history over here. If you see, I executed my trades for 21,750 at 946. So 946 is exactly wherein, if I zoom in, this is the candle wherein in this candle itself I executed because the price action was forming, and I thought like if you take this zone, if I draw a line over here, there was a consolidation wherein after a huge breakout from this candle, there was a consolidation at this zone itself. So around the 720 odd levels, I thought like Nifty would take bounce back, and exactly it took away. However, there was a consolidation and then there was a breakout wherein I missed this rally. But however, with this trade, I was able to make around. I executed my trade at 144, so I was able to gain around almost 10 points, I guess. So if you see, 21,750, wherein I was able to gain around 2,600 rupees from this trade. So however, if you see this 21,700 P, I was able to gain around 6,000, wherein I had this overnight position. So with that aspect, I gained this profit for this trade. However, the capital that I used was on higher side, more than 50,000. However, coming to this another trade wherein 21,700 P for the monthly expiry option, I took entry, wherein if you come to the chart over here, wherein the Nifty was trying to take a breakout at this point. If for this candle, if you see, the low was around 709. So with that aspect, I entered over here. Let me show you my position for 24th of Jan over here, of the monthly expiry, wherein I bought around 100 quantities of at exactly, if you see, 212. If I go to the Nifty chart over here, 212, if I come into at this point itself around 2 o'clock in this candle, wherein I entered this in the around 2. Around 2 o'clock at 12 minutes, I entered in this somewhere in this candle, and then I executed my trade almost like trailing. I was able to gain more profit from this trade, but however, I was not able to capture this. I was able to capture around 8 points from this. 8 points from this trade, and then again in the later half, what I did is I re-entered in this same itself 21,700 P, wherein I bought 150 quantities, and then I squared off at 245, wherein the average price was around 238, or I guess. So overall, I traded because in the monthly expiry, because today I saw there was a huge premium decay in the 21,700 PE, wherein it was very volatile. Sometime it was going around 120 to 140, and then again it was the there was a slight decay, and there was, because if you see the price action what Nifty had formed is around 750 on the higher side and around 682 on the higher side. So if you take the mean of that, the Nifty average would come around 720 to 710 zone. So with that aspect, because there was a that's the reason there was a decay for that. But however, for this overall for today's trade, I was able to gain around 4,200 rupees overall. So that is for the 45th day. However, I was not able to update you about the trades that I had taken in the previous, like from Monday to Thursday. So especially I was not able to make the videos because of the some tight schedules. But I will be updating about those trades that I have taken in the tomorrow's video, or on Sunday I will be updating about the trade. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.